Hello again, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the best 5 summer travel makeup bags of 2024 on Amazon that I would love you to see. Let's start with this Gloppie small summer makeup bag, a compact and waterproof cosmetic bag made of durable nylon. Its lightweight size of 7.08 by 5.11 inches makes it perfect for travel and holding essentials like lipstick, skincare, and more. With a convenient side handle, zip-top closure, and 4 inner pockets, this versatile pouch comes in 14 colors, including a lovely white flower design. At just $6, with a 4.6-star rating from over 966 reviews, this bag has been a hit with customers, and 100 plus have purchased it recently. Buyers love its practicality and stylish design. Secondly, the SOIDRAM 2 pieces. Summer makeup bag offers perfect size and large capacity with 11 by 6 and 7 by 4 inches for storing makeup brushes, perfumes, and more. Featuring a chic pink checkered design, it's stylish and ideal for travel. Available in 5 colors and styles like mini chic and large luxe, it's priced at $8 with a 10% discount. Rated 4.7 stars by over 530 reviewers, 2,000 plus were sold last month, with customers loving its practicality and sleek design. Next up, the lighted portable travel makeup case with mirror offers advanced lighting technology with 3 adjustable light modes: daylight, warm light, and cool white, perfect for flawless makeup application. Its smart storage compartments keep essentials organized, and it features a rechargeable 5,000 milliamp hour battery for convenience. Available in black, orange, pink, and white, this durable case is crafted from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene and priced at $75. With a 4.4-star rating from over 67 reviews, customers love its luxury packaging and practical design, making it an ideal gift for makeup lovers. Again, the Cunno 6 PCs, Beach Clear makeup bags, offer a convenient solution for organizing your essentials, featuring a waterproof PVC material and a stylish black design with letter patches. Measuring 7.8 by 2.2 by 5.5 inches, these bags are perfect for travel, school, and everyday use. With 7 styles like beach, cheer, and dance, they're available for just $15 with a 6% discount. Rated 4.6 stars from 130 reviews, customers love their durability and ample space, with over 50 bought last month. Last but not least, the Beach Survival Kit Beach Makeup Bag is crafted from high-quality, durable canvas and measures 9.5 by 7.9 inches, providing ample space for makeup, toiletries, or travel essentials. Its versatility makes it perfect for travel, camping, or gym use, and it also doubles as a thoughtful gift for occasions like birthdays or holidays. Available in white, this bag is priced affordably at just $4. Customers love its practicality and stylish design, with many praising its durability and generous size for organizing their items. That is for today's video, my lovers. A roundup of the top 5 summer travel makeup bags of 2024 on Amazon that you must go on today. Whether you prioritize security, durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product and happy shopping.